Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the waterfall braid. So let's get started. Now, before I start, I just want to say that my hair does not like to listen to whatever I say. Like, look at this. This side is curly, this side pretty curly, not as much. So another thing is with this waterfall braid, I think it looks amazing when your hair is really curly like so, but you don't have to curl it because my hair is not naturally curly and it looks fine too. But I curled it yesterday and this is the curls that it formed today. And my hair hates being curled. I mean, it has hairspray in it right now. So, well, like from yesterday. So if it falls down to straight, I'm really sorry. I don't mean to. It's just what happens. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to pick a side that you want to work with. I like my left side. And grab as much hair as you want. And this is what it's going to look like in the end. So if you want to grab more, grab more. But I like this much. So here you're going to split it up into 3 sections. You're going to take this strand, cross it over the middle like so. Now you're going to take this strand, the bottom, cross it over that strand. So it looks like this. Now you're going to do that again. When you get to this part, you're going to leave this hair down. Now, you're going to grab a piece of hair right next to the hair that you put down, like so. Sorry, my hair doesn't like to listen at all. Now, you're going to cross it over this bottom strand. See, there's 2 strands. Cross it over the bottom. And cross the top over the middle. And now you're going to do the same thing again. Cross it over the middle. Cross the bottom over the middle. And bring it down. So I'm going to do that a couple more times just to show you what it looks like. And it's kind of hard to pick up at first, but once you get it, then it's really easy. So I'm going to do it just a couple more times and then tell you what I do at the end. Now, once you do it as many times as you want, I usually do it like 3 to 4 times, you're going to pick up another piece. You're going to pick up another piece and just braid it down as far as you want. That's what I do, but you can end it as you want. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just pin it as I cross mine, which I think it just holds it better. So I take one. So I take one piece and just pin it like so. Like that. Now you're going to take another bobby pin and cross it. See, here's my first one. You're going to cross it over the other one. And I think that just holds it in longer. And so, this is what your finished product looks like. And so, yeah. So if you don't like this side just pull back this side too. Because some people don't like the one side pulled back, but I think it looks really cute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. My last video got almost 350 views. So hopefully this video will get even more. And I got 4 new subscribers too. So please like this video and subscribe. I really enjoy it. And if you want me to teach you how to curl your hair or any other hairstyles, please leave comments below and I'll do my best when I can to teach you those. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye!